Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and in this special series we present you the daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Let's see what is in the news. The World Economic Forum releases the Global Gender Gap Index, in which India ranked 135 out of 146 countries. India has improved its rank from the previous 2021, in which India ranked 140 out of total 156 countries. Only Iran, Pakistan, and Afghanistan performs worse than India in the entire South Asia. This index measures the gender-based gap in access to resources and opportunity in country rather than the actual level of the available resources and opportunity in those countries. It gives a score to the country on the 4 key dimensions. Those are economic participations and opportunity, educational attainment, health and survival, and political empowerment. To promote and protect Indian jute product, the Union Textile Secretary UP Singh introduced Jute Mark Logo India. Each Jute Mark label will have a unique QR, and by scanning it, customer can know about the manufacturer. This will boost and strengthening the domestic jute market as well as the export of jute from the country. Central Bureau of Investigation has joined the hand with Interpol's International Child Sexual Exploitation Initiative. It will allow it to collaborate with investigators in other countries for detecting child sex abuse online and identifying abusers, victims, and crime scenes from these specialized softwares. The ICSE database uses video and images, compare them, and make connection between victims, abusers, and places. This database also avoids the duplication of the data and saves the precious time by letting investigators know whether a series of images has already been discovered or identified in another country, or whether it has a similar feature to the other image. The Interpol is the world's largest international police organization with 195 member countries, and its headquarters is in France. Ahmedabad and Kerala have been included in Time magazine's The World's Greatest Place of 2022. The Time magazine said that Kerala is one of India's most beautiful states with amazing beaches and lush backwater, temples, and places. That is why it is known as God's own country, and that paved the way for the Kerala to make into the list. About Ahmedabad, that is India's first UNESCO World Heritage City, has both ancient landmarks and contemporary innovations like Gandhi Ashram and the great longest dance festival in the world, Navratri, that paved the way for Ahmedabad city to make into the list. The Indian Institute of Science have developed a new class of synthetic peptide or mini protein called SIH5 that can not only block the entry of SARS-CoV-2 virus into the cells, but also clumps the virions together, reducing their ability to infect. Honorable Apex Court gave a guideline regarding Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act of 2015 that the task of deciding whether juveniles aged between 16 and 18 accused of heinous offenses can be tried like adults should be based on meticulous psychological investigations. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited. So book your success and hurry up. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to hit like button, comment your feedback because your feedbacks are very important to us. Also press the subscribe button to never miss any updates. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and links are given below in the description box.